Assalamu alaikum sir. My name is Sultanul. My ID is 211353172. My presentation topic is code vulnerability and compromised software quality. Code quality. Why need code quality? To ensure software acceptance, existence, readability, maintainability, security, and most importantly, proper functionality or completeness. What is the vulnerable code? Code that cannot compile any of the above mentioned criteria is less qualified or poor quality code. And if software security metrics are also compromised in a poor quality code, then it's known as vulnerable code. How to measure code quality and detection vulnerability? Code metrics verification thought different type of analysis like static code analysis, dynamic code analysis, and code architecture analysis. Code quality for software security. Software security. Software security is an idea or set of practices implemented to protect software against malicious attacks and other hackers' risks, so that the software continues to function correctly under such potential risk. Poor quality code is a security threat. Developers always need to compile the code metrics standard in their code because it's not only to deliver the functionalities of the software but also to ensure their code is bug-free and the final product is not vulnerable to any security attack. Any compromise the code quality may eventually lead to its security breach. Code analysis. Why need code analysis? To ensure software quality, code analysis is the must based on increasing customer demand. Fact development along the continuous change in code is necessity considering the customer demand. Every aspect of the software needs to evolve, including the coding methods. This continuous change in the source code invites vulnerabilities and risk of defect. This the way code analysis becomes important for any software development cycle to avoid possible product failure and also to source the software products. What does it do? Code analysis attempt to debugging code to find out code error to potential code error of different type like incorrect function call, memory leak, type casting, security vulnerability, code smells, etc. The process provides an understanding of the code structure which can help ensure that the code adheres to industry standards and high quality secure code and well-managed software. Statistic code analysis, a way of prevention. What is SA? Static code analysis is a collection of algorithms and techniques used to analyze source code in order to automatically debug the code and find potential error or poor coding practices. It analyzes the source code without executing the actual program. It is a way for the developers to test or debugging their code, which is also called a non-runtime environment. Static code analysis tools offer an incredibly effective way to find programming failure and display them to the developers. It is the only proven method to cover the entire code base to identify all the vulnerable patterns. This way to analyze is also considered as a way to automatic code review process. Error categories. Many categories is error, blocker, critical, major, manner, and information. Different tools. Depending on the wide range of programming language and their supporting environments, there are good number of essay tools available in the market. Some of those are Coverity, ScanQuave, Find Bugs, GetaFix, HP Fortify, Infer, etc. Security issues thought code analysis. Top 5 application security flaws or security issues that can be found in vulnerable code are: number 1. Unvalidated input, broken access control, broken authentication and session management, cross-site scripting flaws, buffer overflows, injection flaws, improper error handling, in-source data handling, in-source storage, denial of service, insurance configuration management. Limitations and failure scopes a essay. Limitation. Large amount of false alarms provided by the essay tools. Number 2. High dependency on programming language. Number 3. Perform based on fixed rule sets, no intelligence applied. Number 4. A type static analyzer, don't attempt process and any fix. Number 5. Time consuming while decreed manually. Scopes. Difficult or limiters often open the door of opportunities. No exception here as well. Number 1. Improve the accuracy of the static analyzed by reducing false alarms. Number 2. Integrate the analyze with the auto-build or continuous integration systems. Number 3. Inclusion of AI-based intelligent analyzed techniques. Number 4. Auto-fixed with high accuracy is the future of SW quality thought SA. Finally, focusing on SW quality and security can create a great positive impact on IT industry as a whole. Thank you so much for your attention.